Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Page 156.
Gradually, step by step, with full conviction, one should become situated in trance by means of intelligence. Thus the mind should be fixed on the self alone and should think of nothing else.
The self, the mind should be fixed in self. We are self, and Krishna is also self. So, just like if you fix up your eyes on the sun, then you can see the sun and yourself also. Sometimes in dense darkness, we cannot see ourselves also. That you have experienced. So, I cannot see my body in dense darkness. Although body is with me, I am the body or I am whatever I am, I cannot see myself. That you have got experience. So, if you are in the sunlight, then you see the sun as well as yourself. Is it not? Therefore, to see the self means, first of all, see the Supreme Self. The Supreme Self is Krishna. And the Vedas, it is said, Kathopanishad, Nitya Nityanam Chetana Chetananam. The Supreme Self is the chief eternal of all eternals. He is the chief living being of all living beings. So this Krishna consciousness movement means to fix up in self. The same example, if you fix up your mind in Krishna, then you can fix up your mind in everything. The same example again, if you take care of your stomach, then you take care of all the bodily limbs. If your stomach is supplied nice nutritious food, the stomach is clear of all disturbances, then you keep good health. So, if you pour water in the root of the tree, then you take care of all the branches, leaves, flowers, twigs, everything, automatically. So if you take care of Krishna, then you do the best service to all others, automatically. These boys, they are going to Kirtan party. Because they are Krishna conscious, it is not that they are sitting idly in this temple. They are going outside, preaching this philosophy so that others may take advantage of it. So a Krishna conscious person cannot sit idly. He thinks that such a nice philosophy of life why it should not be distributed. That is his mission. A yogi may be satisfied with his own elevation. He is sitting in a secluded place, practicing yoga, elevating himself to transcendental life. That is his personal concern. But a devotee is not satisfied simply elevating his self, his personal. We offer our respect to the Vaishnavas. Vancha kalpatarubhascha kripa sindhu bhayevacha patitanam pavanebhya vaishnavebhya namo namo. Vaishnava is he, devotee is he, who is very compassionate to these conditioned souls. Kripa sindhu bhayevacha. Kripa means mercy, and Sindhu means ocean. A devotee is ocean of mercy. He wants to distribute the mercy. Just like Lord Jesus Christ, he was God conscious, Krishna conscious, but he was not satisfied in himself. If he would have continued his God consciousness alone, he would not have met crucifixion. But no, he wanted to take care of others also. The others should be God conscious. Others should be Krishna conscious. He was forbidden by the king not to do that. So at the risk of his life, he did it. That is the nature of devotee. Therefore, the preacher devotee is the most dearest devotee of Lord. That is stated in the Bhagavad. They are going outside, they are preaching, then meeting opposing elements. Sometimes they are defeated, sometimes disappointed, sometimes able to convince. There are different kinds of people. So, not that every devotee is very well equipped. There are 3 classes of devotees also. But that endeavor, that I shall go and preach Krishna consciousness, is the best service to the Lord. Because they are trying in opposition to elevate people to the highest standard of self-realization. So one who has seen, one who is in trance of self-realization, he cannot sit idly. He must come out. He, just like Ramanujacharya, he declared the mantra publicly. His spiritual master said that this mantra, just like that Maharshi came in your country, he wanted to give some private mantra. If that mantra has any power, why it should be private? If at all the mantra has any, why not it should be publicly declared so that everyone can take advantage of that mantra? That is real. It is cheating. You see. So here is no cheating process. We say that this Mahamantra can save you, we are distributing publicly. No confidence. Free, without any charge. But people are so fools, they are not prepared to take this. They will hanker after that mantra, after Maharshi. Pay $35 and take some private. You see? So people want to be cheated. And here, Hare Krishna mantra, these people are preaching without any charge, declaring in the street, park, everywhere, come on, take it. No, this is not good. This is Maya. This is Kali illusion. This is spell of Maya. And if you charge something, if you bluff, if you cheat, people will follow. सच्चा बोले तो मारे लट्ठा झूठा जगत भुलाए दन्न कली जो दुख लगे हंस पाए. This is a Hindi verse by one devotee, that this Kali Yuga is so abominable that if you speak truth, then people will come with some rod to beat you. But if you cheat them, bluff them, they will beat them. They will like it. If I say I am God, people will say, oh, yes, Swami is God. They won't inquire that how you have become God. What is the symptom of God? Have you got all these symptoms? And nobody inquires. So, these things happen unless one is not fixed up in the self, unless one does not understand what is real self, unless one does not understand what is super self. So, yoga means to understand this self-realizing process. That is yoga. Wow. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,